So that, my friends, will bring this deck build series to an end officially. All right, so I had to put this video out. Even though if I change anything, I'll do an update, of course, on whatever it is I change it to. But as it stands right now, I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to also create a playlist of the entire deck build series, and I'll try to link it either at the end of this video, on the outro, or down in the description of the video. I'll try to link it in case you want to catch up and just see like the entire process of the build. Also, Ron put a video out, I think it was yesterday, of the entire deck build process in a time-lapse form from day one till the last day. So I'll also link that down below as well, or either pin it in the comment section. Anyway, make sure you check it out. So yeah, shout out to everybody who came along the entire process with us from start to finish. Shout out to y'all. And again, if you haven't watched any of the other episodes, I will link them. I will also make sure I keep you in the loop if I change anything, add something, take something away, or whatever. I'm not in a hurry, and I just want to enjoy doing nothing. I think it's 96 degrees right now, but with this gazebo thing, which is a whole lifesaver, okay, I would definitely not be able to, I would not be able to sit out here and enjoy this because the sun is literally directly on this patio right now. So I didn't want to make this video super long and drawn out. Hope you guys enjoy the final deck stuff, unless I bring you an update, of course. I will try to also link a lot of the stuff, if I can, down in the description bar as well, in case you want to recreate this look in your outdoor oasis. I love you guys to the morning back. And Auntie, her, is going to enjoy the rest of this glass of wine, and I will catch you in the next video. Hey y'all.